Good evening, and welcome to my Wiki Reflection blog. First of all, from my point of view, the Wiki is wicked because I am definitely not tech savvy enough for this type of technology, at least not right now. But we had a very uh, energetic young lady, Jessica Rowe, who volunteered so gracefully to operate the Wiki for us. She did all the inputting and designing and did an awesome job. My contributions to the literature review included supplying the summary and tentative outline for the literature review proposal, supplying the body, which was the literature organized in themes, using the JFL to access Europe's web to find a relevant journal to submit our manuscript. 4. Submitting all relevant information to register for the chosen journal. Our chosen journal was the Journal of Research on Technology and Education. Even though I wasn't directly instrumental in operating the wiki, I did find useful and relevant resources that's going to help me along my research in this project as far as other research down the line. I found URIC's Web, which is a JFL database, and ORCID, an online community for researchers. And you can see the rest of my blog information below. Thank you and have a great evening.